Hello and welcome back to the session on material handling and facilities planning. In this session, we will see what is a conveyor and the types of conveyors. A conveyor is a mechanical handling equipment which moves material from one location to another location. And these are used for applications where heavy or bulk materials are to be transported. Since it is quick and efficient in transporting material, these are very popular in material handling and packaging industries. These are the advantages of conveyors. It permits high capacity for moving large number of items. The speed is adjustable. Handling combined with other activities such as processing and inspection is possible. They are versatile and can be on floor or overhead. Temporary storage of loads between workstation is possible. Load transfer is automatic and does not require the assistance of many operations. Straight line paths or aisles are not required. Utilization of cubic space is feasible through the use of overhead conveyors. And these are the disadvantages of conveyors. They allow a fixed path serving only limited areas. Sometimes bottlenecks can be developed in the system. A breakdown in any part of the conveyor stops the entire line. Since conveyors are fixed in position, they hinder the movement of mobile equipment on the floor. Now we will see the types of conveyors. Around 20 types of conveyors are available, and here it is belt conveyor, roller conveyor, chute, slat, screw, chain, overhead monorail conveyor, trolley conveyor, wheel conveyor, tow, bucket, cartoon track, and pneumatic tube conveyor. So this shows the schematic of all the conveyors: belt, roller, wheel, screw, etc. So these are the schematic of different types of conveyors. Now we will see each conveyors in detail. The first one is the belt conveyor. This is a belt conveyor system and it has got a continuous belt which is mounted on two pulleys. One or both the pulleys can be powered. The powered one, it is known as this driver pulley, and the unpowered one is known as the idler pulley. And this is a roller conveyor. Instead of belt, rollers are provided for transporting this material. And these are easy to install. Low maintenance rollers are built to help workers load and unload truckloads efficiently. Now we have this chute conveyor. These are used for loading of a belt conveyor and to transfer material from one moving belt conveyor to another. These are used for transporting grain material and fine powders. And these are the features of chute conveyor. And the main method of transportation is by gravity, and these are inexpensive. These are the different types of chute conveyors. And next one, it is a slat conveyor. The operation of a slat conveyor is not based on the gravity but on the mechanics and the electricity. And these are the features of this slat conveyor. This uses discretely spaced slats connected to a chain. And this does not accumulate the material handled. The unit which is transported retain its position. And these are used for heavy loads that can damage a belt conveyor system. And these are the different types of slat conveyors. Next it is screw conveyor. Here the mode of movement is through screws that hold the material while moving in a screw motion. And these are one of the most widely conveyors in the processing industry. And this shows a different type of screw conveyors. Now we have a chain conveyor here. These are the different types of chain conveyors. Next it is trolley conveyor. This uses a series of trolleys supported from or within an overhead track. And the trolleys are equally spaced in a closed loop path and are suspended from a chain. And these are commonly used in processing, assembly, packaging and storage operation. And these are the trolley conveyors. Next we have this wheel conveyor. This works on the gravity principle, and this uses a series of skate wheels mounted on a shaft where spacing of the wheel is dependent on the load being transported. And these are suitable for light duty applications. And these are the wheel conveyors. Now we have this tow conveyor. This uses tow line to provide power to wheeled carriers such as trucks, dollies or carts that moves along the floor. These are used for fixed path travel of carriers. These are used when long distance and high frequency move are required, and this shows the tow conveyors. Now we have this bucket conveyor. Here the mode of movement is through bucket that hold the material while it is moving, and these are used to move bulk material in a vertical or in an inclined path. The buckets are automatically unloaded and at the end of the conveyor run. And these are the different types of bucket conveyors. Now we have this carton rack conveyor. This is also designed to move material from one location to another. This shows the carton rack conveyor. And now we have this pneumatic conveyor. Here the material is moved inside a tube, and this uses the force of air for transporting this material from one location to another location. This shows the pneumatic conveyor. Now we will see this overhead motorized conveyor here, and now we will see different types of conveyors. You can see the conveyors here for transporting this material from one location to another, and this is a roller conveyor and a belt conveyor we are having for packing industry, packing process. You can see this. This is a jute conveyor we are having here. You can see a roller conveyor here. The product which is coming through that is placed here. So we are having different types here. You can see it. Now here it is, inspection is taking place, and the product is tested, and after that it is allowed to move through that conveyor. So different operations are happening here. This is in a food industry, food processing industry. So you can see this. Now this one, it is a trolley conveyor. It can be considered as a positioning equipment also. It is actually transporting this material, and that is placing over the belt conveyor system. So we are having different type of conveyor system here. So these are the different conveyor systems. So in this session we have seen the different conveyors used in material handling, used for material handling application. Thank you.